Bitcoin boom, riding the wave of digital currency innovation. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of digital currency innovation. In recent years, the world has witnessed an unprecedented surge in the popularity and adoption of digital currencies, particularly Bitcoin. From its humble beginnings to its meteoric rise, Bitcoin has captured the imagination of investors, technologists, and the general public alike. With its decentralized nature and potential to revolutionize traditional financial systems, Bitcoin stands at the forefront of a digital currency boom that shows no signs of slowing down. In this article, we will explore the various aspects of this phenomenon, from its underlying technology to its impact on global finance. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. The genesis of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, dubbed digital gold, debuted in 2009, courtesy of an enigmatic entity or group named Satoshi Nakamoto. It materialized as a retort to the inadequacies of traditional fiat currencies and centralized financial models. Built upon blockchain technology, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized ledger, meticulously documenting transactions across a network of computers. This novel approach guarantees transparency, security, and autonomy in financial dealings, distinguishing Bitcoin as a revolutionary digital currency with the capacity to overhaul the global financial paradigm. Its decentralized nature empowers individuals, circumventing the need for intermediaries and fostering a borderless, inclusive financial ecosystem poised for exponential growth and innovation. 2. Decentralization and security. One of Bitcoin's fundamental attributes is its decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, which are subject to the control of central banks and governments, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network. This architecture removes the necessity for intermediaries, fostering a direct connection between users. The absence of a central authority not only enhances security by thwarting attempts by malicious actors to manipulate the system, but also fosters financial inclusivity. With Bitcoin, access to the financial system is democratized, open to anyone with an internet connection. This decentralization empowers individuals, eliminating barriers to entry and creating a more equitable and accessible financial landscape for people around the globe. 3. Limited supply and store value. One of the most intriguing aspects of Bitcoin is its limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies that can be printed at will, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it inherently deflationary. This scarcity has led many investors to view Bitcoin as a digital store of value akin to gold. In times of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin has emerged as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. 4. Institutional adoption. In recent years, we have witnessed a significant uptick in institutional adoption of Bitcoin. From prominent companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla to investment firms like Grayscale, institutional investors are increasingly recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class worthy of inclusion in their portfolios. This institutional endorsement has played a crucial role in legitimizing Bitcoin in the eyes of the mainstream. 5. Regulatory challenges. Despite its growing acceptance, Bitcoin continues to face regulatory challenges around the world. Governments and regulatory bodies are grappling with how to classify and regulate digital currencies, leading to uncertainty in the market. While some countries have embraced Bitcoin and enacted favorable regulations, others have taken a more cautious approach, citing concerns about money laundering, tax evasion, and consumer protection. 6. Scaling solutions. As Bitcoin's popularity has grown, so too have concerns about its scalability. The Bitcoin network has faced challenges in processing a large number of transactions quickly and efficiently, leading to congestion and high fees during periods of peak demand. To address these issues, developers have proposed various scaling solutions, such as the Lightning Network, which aims to enable faster and cheaper transactions by offloading them from the main blockchain. 7. Environmental impact. One of the criticisms leveled against Bitcoin is its perceived environmental impact. The process of mining Bitcoins, which involves solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network, requires a significant amount of computational power and energy. Critics argue that this energy consumption is unsustainable and contributes to carbon emissions. However, proponents countered that the majority of Bitcoin mining is powered by renewable energy sources, and innovations in mining technology are making it more energy efficient over time. 8. Technological innovation. Beyond its function as a digital currency, Bitcoin has catalyzed a surge of technological advancement within the blockchain sphere. Innovators and entrepreneurs are venturing into novel applications for blockchain technology, spanning decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, supply chain management, and even voting systems. The foundational principles of transparency, security, and decentralization inherent in Bitcoin are now permeating various industries. This proliferation of blockchain solutions holds the promise of revolutionizing how we conduct transactions and engage online, heralding a new era of efficiency, trust, and inclusivity in digital interactions. 9. Social and economic impact. Bitcoin possesses the potential for significant social and economic transformation, especially in areas afflicted by unstable or hyperinflationary currencies. Nations such as Venezuela and Zimbabwe, grappling with failed traditional financial systems, find solace in Bitcoin, offering citizens a means to safeguard their wealth and engage in unrestricted transactions. Additionally, Bitcoin holds promise in empowering the unbanked populace, granting access to financial services without reliance on conventional banking infrastructure. By bridging gaps in financial inclusion and offering stability amidst economic turmoil, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of hope for individuals striving for financial autonomy and security in underserved regions worldwide. 10. The future of Bitcoin. As we look to the future, the outlook for Bitcoin appears promising. With increasing mainstream adoption, growing institutional interest, and ongoing technological innovation, Bitcoin is well positioned to continue its ascent as a dominant force in the world of finance. However, challenges remain, including regulatory uncertainty, scalability issues, and environmental concerns. Nevertheless, the underlying principles of decentralization, transparency, and financial sovereignty that Bitcoin embodies are likely to ensure its enduring relevance in the years to come. In conclusion, the rise of Bitcoin represents a seismic shift in the way we think about money and finance. What began as an experiment in digital currency has evolved into a global phenomenon, with far-reaching implications. Whether Bitcoin will ultimately fulfill its potential as a revolutionary form of money remains to be seen. However, one thing is clear: the age of digital currencies has arrived, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. As we navigate this new frontier, it is essential to remain vigilant, mindful of the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.